Very warm welcome to all of you on the journey of fashion and styles with Sufiranas. I hope so you all are fine too, enjoying the good conditions of your health and doing well. So today I'm back again with another very stylish and amazing collection of crochet styles. So in my today's video, we are going to exploring the more than 100 plus styles and designs of beautiful, stylish crochet made, crochet kinetic styles bag designs. Crocheting is a popular hobby and a craft. Crocheting is a fun and rewarding activity that can bring joy and satisfaction. Crochet bags are a stylish and eco-friendly accessory. And here in my today's video, we are going to talk about some popular design ideas of crochet made bag styles. You are going to find out about tote bags with the fringe style tassels and the market bags with colorful strips or patterns. You will also be find out many square bags with a vintage vibes, crochet purses with intricate stitchworks, and beach bags with shells or other embellishments. So it's all depend on you. You can choose from various yarn, stitches, and embellishments to create a unique and functional bag that reflects your personal styles and your personal look. So how to start your crochet bags, how to carry your crochet bags, it all depends on you. It all depends on an individual interest and their interests and their styles and look. So you will carry the crochet bags for your casual day, for your beach vibes, for your crochet styles, even for your work wears and for your evening events. For style, your dressy outfits take naturally and heels with beautiful styles, beautiful choice of crochet made bags. So with these stylish and unique crochet bags, get create and show off your unique styles and a unique look with the crochet bags and enhance your style, enhance your look with beautiful and stylish designing crochet bags. I hope so you will enjoy the ideas. You will love the styles and designs of crochet made styles bags designs which I have collected for you in my today's video. So watch video till the end. I hope so you will enjoy the video. You will enjoy the styles, the designs, and the versatility and the fashion styles of the crochet made bags designs. I love the styles, I love the colors, I love the stitching techniques, I love the designing style ideas of these bags. And I hope so that you will love these too. So if you are loving these styles, if you are loving the making styles and designs of these crochet bags, so please do like my video and do share my video with your friends, with your relatives, so that the new people get new ideas, new styles, and new designs to enhancing their styles and look with crochet made beautiful, colorful bags designs. And please don't forget if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. Because I try my best to make videos on daily basis, and after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any style or any design on my channel. You will get all the notifications of my videos and will never miss any idea, any collection, any style or any design. So for the versatility, for the fashion, for enhancing your styles and look, and watch other videos on my channel. I have already uploaded a huge collection on my channel. So you will be get the ideas of bags styles, you will be get the ideas of crochet makes, shoes collections, bags collections, dresses, casual wear, formal wear dresses, maxi dresses. So a lot of new ideas, new styles and designs of upcoming fashions, trending styles, trending designs, trending styles and looks of ladies. You will be find out on my channel. So visit on my channel and watch the videos of fashion and styles with Firanas. I hope so those videos will also be useful and helpful for you, and you will get new ideas, new styles and designs from those videos. So again, dear viewers, I am very thankful to all of you for your kind support on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support. Thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video, and keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more styles, and for more designs of versatility. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more styles, and for more designs. Watch video till the end. Goodbye till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas, styles, and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves. Goodbye. Enjoy the video till the end.